Thanks for staying with us. And we're continuing our conversation. In less than 24 hours, one of the nation's strictest abortion laws goes into effect in Texas. Lawyers for abortion clinics in the state requested the U.S. Supreme Court justices block the law. The filing stated that if the law were allowed to go into effect, it would, quote, immediately and catastrophically reduce abortion access in Texas. Now, the bill will also allow private citizens to bring civil suits against anyone who assists a pregnant person with seeking an abortion in violation of that law. And joining me now to continue that conversation is Ianthe Metzger from Planned Parenthood. Now, we actually just briefly spoke about this during the break, but let's talk about it with our viewers. You said Texas already has some of the strictest restrictions in the country. Can you talk more about that and how this law, what is this law ultimately doing? It's taking it to a next level.
It's taking it to a next level. I mean, in Texas, it's already really difficult to get an abortion. There is a mandatory 24-hour waiting period in Texas to get an abortion. In many cases, there are ultrasounds that are unnecessary medically as well. There are state mandatory counseling in Texas, so it's already really hard to get an abortion. So when you factor all of those things in, and you factor in a new 6-week ban, and you factor in the time it takes to find out that you're pregnant, to secure the funds for an abortion, to make a decision, it is pretty much impossible under these circumstances to get an abortion that you have a constitutional right to. So Texas is taking it to a whole nother level with this law, which is why we're taking it to the Supreme Court to get this law to be blocked before it takes effect.
What are you hearing on the ground from women in the state? What are some of their concerns?
Yes, there's a lot of confusion. People have been calling our health centers for weeks asking if abortion is even still legal. And, as of now, it still is legal. So working with them on that has been really difficult. We've also just generally, our clinics have been booked to capacity. They cannot take new appointments. Are doing everything they can right now to get as many people in as possible. But knowing that the law goes into effect tomorrow is really terrifying. We know that people are going to potentially have to leave the state to get that care. But we also know that many people cannot afford to do that. They cannot afford the childcare. They cannot afford the transportation costs, the lodging costs, the time off work. So there are a lot of people who are going to be really suffering when this law takes effect.
Yeah, we were actually just looking at a sign that said protect safe legal abortion. How will the state of Texas do that if this law takes effect, which it's supposed to tomorrow?
Yes, I mean, in many ways, I don't think it will. I don't think that they realize just how dire things are going to be. Almost 55,000 abortions happened last year. And as I mentioned earlier, 85 to 90% of them were at or after 6 weeks. So the vast majority of people are going to be cut off if this law takes effect.
So what happens to Planned Parenthood in the state of Texas?
Planned Parenthood, we're going to keep fighting. We are going to do what we can to act to help people get the care that they need in Texas, within the confines of the law, of course, as well as out of state. And we're doing that with partners on the ground with abortion funds. As I mentioned, we've hired more patient navigators to help people get out of state and get the logistical care that they need to do that. So we're just going to keep fighting. And we really hope that we can work with our partners to continue this conversation and to continue figuring out ways to get people the care that they need, because Texas is just the beginning in many ways. If this is allowed to stand, we can definitely see this law in many other states. And we know that if Roe is overturned, 26 states are going to be poised to pass abortion restrictions like this. So it's really imperative that we continue fighting and that we continue being there for our patients.
So I have to ask you, the fact that this law is supposed to go into effect, is it going into effect at midnight tomorrow? What's the course of action? I know you all are waiting for the Supreme Court to step in.
Yes, I mean, as of now, it would be midnight that this law takes effect. But of course, as I mentioned, we are hoping to hear back from the defendants. Their response is due at 5 p.m. to the court, and after that, we will see what happens. But there's a lot to speculate about, and a lot that we can't predict. But we're going to keep fighting, and even if it goes into effect, we're going to keep fighting to get that blocked after the fact.
Ianthe, what do you want to say to women who are concerned? Rape victims, women of incest. What do you say to them now?
Yeah, I say to them that it's a really difficult time in this country to be a woman and to be a woman who is struggling and who is often left out of the conversation. I say to them that they should talk to people who they can trust about what's going on, and to know that Planned Parenthood in their state is going to be there for them in any way that we can. We see them, we hear them, we want to support them, And we know that despite what these politicians are doing, that the majority of Americans also stand with them and support access to safe legal care like abortion. And we're going to keep fighting for that until the end.
All right, Ianthe Metzger of Planned Parenthood, thank you for your insight and best of luck. And if you could please keep us posted once that decision comes out at 5 o'clock, we really would appreciate it.